Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and the physical link. This prevents wasted troubleshooting. First, plug the HDMI cable into the source's HDMI output and the display's HDMI input. Secure the connectors. Once done, power both devices and select the correct input on the display. That ensures a signal path. Make sure the display supports audio over HDMI because some older panels accept video only. If the cable or ports are loose, you'll get no audio even when settings are correct. Next, configure the source device so it sends sound over HDMI. On a PC, open Sound Settings and select the HDMI device as default output. On a console, choose HDMI audio. Once selected, pick an audio format. Use PCM for simple TV speakers, or Bitstream if you've connected an AV receiver that will decode Dolby/DTS. Make sure sample rate matches your display or receiver, because mismatched rates can mute audio. If options exist, try 48 kHz for best compatibility. Finally, finalize the setup and verify sound output. Play a test file or stream, then use the display or receiver volume controls to confirm audio is present. If you hear nothing, power cycle both devices to force an HDMI handshake. This often restores the link. Make sure firmware and drivers are up to date, since manufacturers fix HDMI issues via updates. Troubleshooting tip: if audio still fails, swap the HDMI cable and try a different HDMI input. This isolates a faulty cable or port quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.